Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Paul Muktov, and today we will be going through another FAST tutorial on how to download FAST. Make sure to check out our lab website at ideas.engine.umich.edu. So to start off, downloading FAST, you are going to want to go to our GitHub page, which can be found at github.com/ideas-um/fast. And when you get to the page, you will see the main branch of the repository. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the README file, which will walk you through how to start running FAST. To download FAST, it is very, very simple. All you have to do is go to the code button here, and you can either clone it in your command window using the link here. You can open it with GitHub Desktop, and this is especially important if you plan on contributing to FAST. Please make sure to fork the repository instead of cloning it. Or if you're going to run FAST alone and you don't plan on doing any development, you can just download it as a zip file. Just as a reminder, if you do plan on contributing, please make sure to fork it. Do not clone it. Also, to help FAST become more visible to the public, we ask that you star it as well. Now, once you downloaded FAST, make sure to put it in your file explorer, and after that, get MATLAB open, and we'll take a look at some of the files within FAST. So you'll notice here, I'm now in MATLAB, and I've downloaded FAST. I've unzipped it, or I've made a clone, or I've forked it, and I have a bunch of packages as well as some other files. One thing you'll notice is that we have some files both as .m files and as markdown files, and this allows you to read it either in a text editor or in MATLAB. So I'll open up the README file very quickly, and it's exactly what we saw on the GitHub website, except instead of being in markdown form, it is in MATLAB text form. So once you download FAST, I would recommend reading this README. That way you understand how to run FAST, as well as all of the MATLAB files enclosed in the above packages. And then I'll also direct your attention to the contributions.m file or the markdown file, which is for anyone that is interested in contributing to FAST. This will go through all of the coding guidelines and what we'd expect you to do if you were to contribute to FAST. Additionally, there are some other notices aside from the README that you should also take note of. Now, the main files in the root folder of FAST are main, which is how you actually call the aircraft sizing tool, and we'll talk about that in the next tutorial, along with EAP analysis, which actually performs the aircraft sizing for an electrified aircraft propulsion concept. Two packages that you're going to become familiar with very quickly are the aircraft specs package, which is where we keep all of our aircraft specifications that already exist. So you can see we have some for an A320 or an Embraer E190, as well as some other ones. And then another one to get familiar with is the mission profiles package, which contains all of the mission profiles shipped with FAST. There's a number of them here, so I won't go through them. Some of them are more generic for different turboprops or regional jets. Others are specific to an aircraft like an A320 or an ATR-42. You'll notice that in each folder, there is also a README. So in addition to the main README in the root directory, there are also READMEs in each package to learn a little bit more. And so with that, we would like to thank you for joining us in this tutorial. And also make sure to check out our website, which is ideas.engine.umich.edu. And we'd like to thank you for joining us in this tutorial. And in the next one, we will talk about how to start running FAST.